The first few pedals are always the hardest. A story about stalls, resistance, and the quiet return of momentum. Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. Momentum begets momentum, and the best way to start is to start. The bicycle that remembered. When you climb back onto an old bicycle, one that has rested untouched through a season of dust and stillness, it does not welcome you easily. The first push on the pedal meets resistance. The chain complains, the wheels hesitate, unsure whether they remember how to move. The ride feels awkward, even discouraging, but then almost gradually something shifts. With each uncertain turn, momentum begins to build. The creaks soften, the wheels roll freely again, the bicycle remembers. The language of things that have waited. This quiet struggle is not unique to bicycles. It is the shared language of all things left idle for too long. A tap closed for months sputters and coughs when opened, spilling rust colored water before clearing its throat and offering a steady, transparent flow. A car engine left to sleep groans awake, shuddering through smoke and complaints before settling into a dependable hum. An old guitar, strings loose and coated in dust, offers screechy, uncertain notes until tuning, touch, and time cocks music back into being. Even machines, it seems, resist sudden revival. The hesitation of the human heart. The same is true of us. A writer returns to the blank page after months away. Words arrive haltingly, jumbled, unsure of their place, until sentences find their rhythm and the story begins to breathe. A student reopening a book after a long break feels knowledge slipping through their fingers, formulas strangely unfamiliar, until persistence quietly reawakens the pathways of learning. A runner returning after time away feels heavy legs and tight lungs. The first strides burn, the breath protests, but step by step the body remembers its pace. Progress does not rush back, it must be invited. The awkward grace of beginning again. These moments, these stalls, these hesitations are not signs of failure, they are signs of return. Movement rarely resumes smoothly. There is friction, there is discomfort, there is that uneasy space between stillness and flow. Momentum, like a shy companion, must be coaxed back to life, sometimes gently, sometimes with a firm nudge. But with patience and persistence, it always responds. When flow finds you again, and then without ceremony, it happens. The water runs clear, the engine steadies, the words come, the legs lighten, the ride smooths out. What once resisted now carries you forward, not because the resistance vanished, but because you stayed. Moral of the story. Every restart begins with resistance. Awkwardness is not a sign to stop, it's proof that motion has begun. If you stay patient and persistent, momentum will return and flow will follow. I hope you enjoyed this story as we wrap up this incredible journey together. Remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such stories at Profound Insights under the Tiny Tales Unfold playlist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more stories. Your support means the world to me, and we will continue to explore the depths of knowledge together. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the profound. Thank you.